Hi guys, today I'm going to show you some easy steps to make a flamingo. Firstly, you want to grab your pencil and lightly shade the mouth. Just like that. Now when you're done, you want to go down and curve it like that. Then when you're done that, you're going to make it longer. And you want to make the wings. That. Don't worry guys, if I'm going too quick, you can just pause the video. Do that. Then you can go up here, and connect it. Once you've done that, you can do the legs now. One right there, one right there, one right there, one right there. So when you've done that, you want to draw its beak. So you draw a line. You want to draw a line in the middle, like that. Then you want to curve it down. Curve it down like that. Once you've done that, you can do some really peculiar eyes. For example, you can do this one. For example, like this. Then draw 2 circles. Then you shade it in. You shade it in. Or you can do this one. Or if you like, you can do a very peculiar artwork, which I'm doing, like this. Like this. So once you're choosing your eye color, just want to lightly do it, lightly shade it. Then, once you're done, you want to trace over the lines. I'll see you in a sec, guys. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back. Now this should be the final product. Then, if you want, you can add extra birds in the distance to make it look realistic. If you want, you can draw a little worm right there dangling out of its mouth. Now, once you've done all of that, you've traced all the lines. You can rub out, you can trace it with a black pen. If you're surprised by a drawing. You can draw it with black pen. Then you can rub out all the lead pen after you do it. See you in a sec, guys. Bye. Mail. Welcome back, guys. You see, I've traced it and I've done these lines out of the lead. As you can see, I did that on purpose. For example, if you do on purpose, if yours is like mine, you can basically rub the lead with a rubber. And then it's all clear. Sorry, guys. When you're done that, this is your final product. And normally, if you want, you can put it on a surface, and then you can outline the lines where you want to put the sand. So my recommendation is that you put this on like an island with sand. Then you want to put this part up to the bird's body as the dark blue, which represents the sea. Then once you're done the top, it can be light blue, which represents the sky. Now once you're done and you're very fascinated with what you've done, you can start drawing planes. Or if you want, like me, you can draw some sort of background. For example, you can draw trees in the background. You can draw trees in the background, like that. And if you're really satisfied, you can draw little people. If you're fascinated with what you draw, peace. And if you can color the beak black, the flamingo pink. That's basically all you have to do to make a perfect bird. Stay awesome, stay safe, and stay cool. Peace.